I know, baby, I know. It's not my fault. I can't help you. I can't do nothing. You have the hiccups. You like the camera? What are you doing with your finger? You throwing it up? What you throwing up? What you throwing up?
My coworkers wrote me a couple of females at my job.
Yeah.
One of them is married. She's 40 years old. She's fine. She's 40, man.
Say something. No more hiccups? The camera made the hiccups go away? You are really just looking at the camera. Say hello, world. Say hello, world. Say hello, world. Say hello. Say how are you? Say how the hell are you? I know. Don't cry. Do not cry. Don't cry. Remember, you're a survivor. You got this. You got this. You're gonna get them out. You're gonna get them out. You're gonna get them out. It's just gonna take a little bit longer. Don't get frustrated.
And then the other girl that's had that I text.
Yeah.
She, this girl right here. She like me.
Mm-hmm.
She's married. Not messing.
I know. I know. Don't cry. Don't cry. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right, mommy. All right. I know. I know. I know. You're not even crying. You're gonna whine.